Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Astro in Dandy's world fast. Astro is a highly sought-after character, known for his stealth and supportive skills. To add this valuable toon to your roster, you must fulfill 3 distinct requirements. We will go over each step, providing clear instructions to help you achieve this goal efficiently. Get ready to boost your gameplay with Astro. To unlock Astro, you must first accumulate 5,000 Ichor. This currency is vital for many in-game purchases. Next, you need to complete 100% of the research on Twisted Astro. This involves gathering specific data through gameplay. Finally, you must encounter Twisted Dandy. These 3 conditions are the only way to make Astro available for purchase in Dandy's store. Earning Ichor quickly is key to unlocking Astro. Focus on completing floors and collecting research capsules, as these are consistent sources of currency. Always check for and redeem any active Dandy's World codes, which often grant free Ichor. Equipping items such as the coin purse can give you a head start with more currency. Additionally, surviving each floor rewards you with 10 tapes, directly boosting your Ichor accumulation. To accelerate your Twisted Astro research, focus on game modes and actions that specifically contribute to its completion. Similarly, actively seeking out and encountering Twisted Dandy is crucial. While some elements involve chance, consistent and strategic gameplay significantly increases your opportunities for both the research and the encounter. Keep playing, stay focused on these objectives, and Astro will be yours in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.